So last night was Fall Brawl. We went there with this really quick build of a Beetle, and we didn't really have a great time. Started running like shit the entire derby and couldn't figure it out. We found some vacuum leads, plugged them up, passed tech. I failed tech due to some glass in the back of my car, and they wanted my rear coil springs seat belted in. So I did both those, passed tech. That was easy. But again, this was such a quick build that I don't see why it wouldn't have passed tech. But let's go through what happened. I had a lot of issues with the fuel pump in this thing. And the fact that I could barely keep it running, I was an easy target. And I got both rear tires folded in. There was a lot of people that were super interested to see how this car was gonna do, and I feel like I let everybody down because it did so frickin' bad. Let's go through with what happened. So first off, VWs are known for being a very strong side of a car. I actually got smoked in the passenger side, but as you can see, my whole driver door has been completely ripped open and the B-pillar's been pushed in. So that kind of sucked. I do not have any cage in this. I have no door protection. Am I upset that this happened? A little bit, but it's going to happen. I knew that this was a possibility and I went there and this ended up happening. So is there anything that could have been done to protect this? Yes, I could have protected myself. I could have put a door plate. I could have put a cage, but I chose not to. This sucks, but this isn't what took the car out. Let's go to the other side and we'll take a look at the other side. On this side, we took some nasty shots. We took a hit on this side that pushed this car 6 feet sideways. And look at that B-pillar. I think it's actually in better shape on this side than the other side. What about this? We had a car sitting on top of our hood here for quite a bit, and it crushed in all the top of the fuel filter right here. Took our belts off, bent the frame. Did that take us out? No. Did this bent strut take us out? No. Actually, that frame is actually half decently angled up on that. I think this thing's junk. Is the rear tires being conked over because I was barely moving. People were just teeing up on me. Is this what took me out? Nope. The frame going down on this. Is that what took me out? No. None of this is what took me out. What took me out was me lending my fuel pump to a guy, him wrecking it and not telling me. It ran this car well enough when I left here and then it just stopped running completely. That right there is what took this car out. Am I a little upset? Yes. But there's not much I can do. This tank has to be taken apart and rebuilt. The last time he ran this tank was at Caledon, and it worked good for him. He caught on fire, but the tank was okay from my understanding. So a little upset about that, but there's nothing I can actually do to stop it. Is VW bugs tough? Windshield class. I felt like if this thing was running, I could have been doing a lot of damage, but I didn't know this thing was going down. Like we are like 2.5, 3 inches off the ground there. Like I probably would have bellied this thing out very quick out in that ring. This strut here, I was not in a good spot. I'm willing to say, because of the non-running and severe lack of power, I was getting beat up on this thing. We broke an alternator mount right here. Like all of this is sheared off. But there's nothing you can do. When the car's not running good enough to get out of the way of hit, you get hit. I was thinking last night that we could keep this thing for a winter derby, but I don't think it's worth it. The roof is even bent on this thing. So, a little bit different. I've never derbied a VW before. Am I disappointed with this one? Yeah, heck yeah, I'm disappointed with this one. Is it the VW's fault? No. I think that if it had a good fuel pump, this car would have been a contender, barely running. I think we made it to mid-pack. I ended up getting black flagged by one guy, and I got it running, and as I was about to make the hit, he black flagged me. I respected his call, so I said, I seen you black flag me, I'll wave it off. So then another guy started counting me down, so I told him I'm already black flagged. The car was still running at that point in time, but it had zero power. Even if they let me keep going after that black flag, I wouldn't have been able to keep this thing running long enough to make any competitive hits at all. So it was the right call. I wasn't making competitive hits, and I think that they made the proper call, black flagging me, and I respected that because you got to do that. I did have a fun time at Brawl. I am disappointed with how well I did, but I got to see some friends. I got to watch some really good derby action. The weather was fantastic. There was a couple classes that I got a little heated at, and I didn't like some of the calls, but it's not my show. I can't make the calls, but I do think the show was run very well. I think that the cleaning the track went very well. I think the track conditions were fantastic. I think tech was smooth. I think that poutines were way overpriced. I think one poutine and one fry cost us like $31. But that's nothing to do with the promoter, and that's just the cost of food at fairs. You guys can tell. I've been eating some fair food this year. But I had a great time. Disappointed with the car, but it's not the car's fault. It's that fuel pump's fault, and it's that one friend. You know who you are, Nathan. Anyway, guys, we had a great year. There's one more demolition derby this year. It's called Pumpkin Smash. It is a heck of a drive from us. I think it's like, the Google Maps says it's 2 hours, 20 minutes, but when you actually try driving it, it's like 3.5 hours because of traffic, and there's so many roundabouts, and it just takes you a stupid way through Kitchener, and then it adds 30 minutes every time that you don't think it's gonna be. I don't think we're gonna go. I don't think we have a car, but I don't know. Thanks for watching, everybody. The Beetle was a very quick build. I wasn't really intending, thinking I was gonna go to Brawl, but we ended up going and we had a great time. Sometimes those derbies that you don't really think to go to end up being a great time, and I had a great time with my friends. I had a great time with all the people that I was meeting there. The What No Way guy was there, so that was pretty cool. They had a class called Humpty Dumpty. I enjoyed watching that, but I still don't think these big shows feel as welcoming as some of these smaller fair shows. Some small fair shows feel really, really welcoming. But I find at these big shows, it's super competitive. But that's the way it is at big shows, it's competitive. But our little VW, I think, is gonna go to scrap. I don't think we're gonna fix her. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you back here later on Zach's Workshop.